saw the city.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know from the title, I'm gonna recreate the Halima look. Yes, guys, I wanted to recreate this look since long time now, and because of Ramzan, I did not get time to recreate this one. So here I'm just prepping my skin by applying some face oil because she has a flawless makeup going on. As in, you won't even come to know that she has applied makeup or not. Next thing is primer. So I'm gonna take my professional, my trustworthy, and I'm just gonna take a tad bit of that and I'll just prime my problematic areas with that. As you can see here, she has full still, very natural eyebrows going on. So I'm just gonna take my brow pomade here by Essence, and I'm just gonna apply that into my brows. I'm gonna fill in like very nicely. I will be just filling it in, and I'll keep it as natural as possible. Next, I thought that there are still, sparse areas and it was not looking even. So I just took my favorite pencil from Maybelline and I started filling it more further. Now I'll start my face makeup. So here I have taken the concealer by Swiss Beauty. This is darker in the shade, so I just use it to hide my dark circles and whatever dark spots I have. So here I'm applying that and I'll just blend it out. For foundation, I'm gonna go with this Fit Me foundation. This is very light foundation, and as you know, she has very natural makeup going on. So I just wanted something which gives me coverage and does not cake me up. Also gives me very natural look. So I'm gonna use this foundation today. After I was done, I really thought that I want a little more coverage here, so I went ahead and took a little bit more foundation and applied that again. Next, I'm gonna conceal a little bit because we have dark circles. Halima doesn't. So I'm just gonna conceal my under eyes and all usual areas, whatever I do like all the time. Next, I'm gonna set everything with my compact powder. I'm not gonna bake or anything today because we want very natural look, you guys. And if you bake and add layers, it won't look natural. So yeah, I'm just setting everything in with my compact powder here. To set everything in place, I'm just gonna use some makeup fixer. Here I'm taking this Pax micro fixer, and I'm just gonna spray it on my face and melt all the powder in. Here I'm just dabbing my blender very lightly on my face so that it looks natural. Here I'm just wiping off all the powders and foundation which just glided on my lips, so I'm just cleaning it off. Next, I'm gonna bronze up my face a little bit. So I'm taking my NYX, bronzing powder. I'm just applying it on my temples over here, and I'm not gonna, drag it onto my cheeks a lot because Halima has, very subtle, bronzing going on. You can see in the picture in the next slide. Yeah, so here she has very light bronzer going on. So I'm gonna do the same. For blush, I have taken Maybelline, cream blush here because it will give me very natural yet very elegant look as she has. I mean, she has very very subtle, blush and bronzer going on. So I'm gonna do the same. Next, I'm gonna, contour my nose a bit because she has very sharp nose in the picture, and I wanted to have sharp nose as well. So here I'm just contouring my nose very nicely. Now it's time for shadow. I'm taking this brown shade. If you see the picture of her, she has very light brown kind of eyeshadow going on into her lower lash line as well as on her lids. You can see here. Also, she has some mascara going on. Like, for that natural look, I'm just gonna apply that sort of amount of brown shadow here. And then I'll take a clean brush and I'm gonna diffuse that brown shade because it's looking very dark right now, so I have to blend it very nicely and diffuse it more further. Now I'm taking my compact powder again, and I'm gonna clean up the my brow bones and around my brow area because I want that matte finish look. As you can see in the picture, she has very matte face going on. For mascara, I'm gonna take my Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, and I'm just gonna apply like 1 or 2 coats, not much. For lips, I wanted something nude, so I have taken this Wet n Wild pencil in the shade nude, and I'm just gonna line my lips with it. Also, I will fill in with it. And for natural lipstick, what's better than Meher? So I have taken this MAC lipstick in the shade Meher, and I'm not gonna apply that a lot. I'm just gonna, apply a little bit and dab it. Our makeup is done. Now I'll start doing my hair here, and as you can see, I am wearing my favorite blue kurta. This is the only blue thing I had in my wardrobe. So yeah, I am wearing this, and here I'm making my hair. There's nothing much to do with your hair actually. You're just supposed to make a bun. Next, I have taken this blue dupatta. This is my hijab dupatta actually, and I'm just gonna tie it, at the back like so. And then here comes the jugaad. Yeah, I would call it a jugaad. This is my belly dance belt actually. I did not have anything, in this color. I am not a jewelry person, as in, so I just had this in my jewelry box and I used it as a headband. And again, I have taken, another blue dupatta. This is of my mom, and I'm just gonna layer it up on that headband, and yeah, this is how it looks. Then next, I'm just taking this earring of mine. This is the only earring or round thing I had in my jewelry box. So yeah, this is how the end look looks like.